What up, YouTube, man? We are back. Living with the Williams has been a long time. But as you see, we are expecting, you know, she will be here soon. And we got the 4 moms, Mamaroo Bassinet. I don't know if y'all can see that, read it backwards, but we about to do an unboxing. Hey man, you wanna say hi? There we go. That's Madison. So we got one, we're gonna have another one. But we're gonna do an unboxing here, see what this looks like. This is the 4 moms, Mamaroo Bassinet, BuyBuy Baby, Target.
No, we got this from BuyBuy Baby.
BuyBuy Baby, full retail, $4.49. $4.49. So we're gonna open this bad boy up, see what it's looking like. Let's put it together. If you haven't yet, subscribe, comment, hit the like button. We got more content on the way. Alright. So like we got the legs right here. There we go. You got a leg, Maddie? Got you. Don't give us mama.
Let me hold it back. Thank you.
Alright, let's see here. Looks like this is the base right here. Oh, man. With the net, maybe. Madison, watch out.
Be careful, man. Be careful.
Okay. So, look like this is. Oh, it's already put together. It look like maybe.
Maybe. I don't know.
Let me see here. So, like there's a pad in here. Like a little pad there. Zipper.
Here. So it looks like.
Oh yeah, because these go right here like this right here. In that little hole right there. It got instructions on the inside too. Oh, this is connected. So there's instructions inside of here. Let's see how this works. All right.
What is this called again? Cushion?
Yeah, it's a cushion. Is it thin? How you like it?
It's really thin.
Let's see this here.
Let's take it out to see.
Push bars in the slots. Yellow one. Watch out, man.
So this already comes with it, you guys. It's fairly thin. Your baby may prefer that. We're not sure yet, but we'll keep you posted if our little girl enjoys this or not.
Gotcha. So it's not, I mean, it's loud, but so I just set up the net. It's just a simple pull. There goes that. It got little zippers in here too. Let's see here. So open and close. Watch out, Madison.
Get over here.
Let's see.
Get over here.
Okay. Let's see about this right here. Okay, that just comes out there. I wonder if there's something in here. Nah, it's not in there.
Don't slide that back.
Yep, slide that back in there. Okay, now the legs. What are the legs at? I think that was all that was in the box. Let me make sure.
That's it. You gonna need a thing to plug it up.
It's right here.
Okay, I'll open it.
Gotcha. So it's looking like it's real simple to put together, which is good for how much it was. So let's see here. You got Play-Doh? That's good. You gonna come tell me it's your birthday?
Yeah. It's my birthday.
It's Madison's birthday. You gonna come tell him? Come tell him.
Happy birthday.
No, you gotta tell him it is your birthday. Go up to the camera and tell him it's your birthday.
It's 4.
How old are you?
4.
You're 4?
Yes.
And when's your birthday?
April the 25th.
24th.
The 24th.
Gotcha. Good job. All right, so let's see. Nice cameo. All right, let's put these legs on. see how it could be. Oh, there we go. Okay, another one. So it looks like when you put the legs in, you gotta push down a little bit on the inside. Nothing there. Let's see here. Let me see. That came right there. This side. And one more. There we go. Oh. So these are falling out very easily. Let me see this bad boy here. And I mean, that wasn't bad at all.
How long did it take you to put it together?
4 or 5 minutes. I mean, I think stuff like this usually takes a little bit longer. So let's see. This is how it is, fully assembled.
The only thing I'm looking at now that I don't like, it doesn't have wheels.
Why
Especially for, yeah. Because it's going to get moved, probably like from the bedroom and in here.
Let me see.
That's the only dislike that I'm not liking right now. It doesn't have wheels.
Gotcha.
But it is what it is. It's pretty big though, I'll say that.
Let's see. Gotcha. Got that. Let's see. And the plug. It is up under.
Oh, it's up on the bassinet.
Yep. It is up under. So, power.
Yeah,
Like.
I want to see if this Dr. Top fits because I don't know. If my daughter's like me and Madison, we like a little cushion when we sleep. So she doesn't like, of course, I just take it out, but she will be supervised with this in.
Will it fit?
Oh, it does.
A little extra.
Yeah, this is the Dr. Top Deluxe for anyone that wants to know.
And how much is that retail, if you know?
This was gifted to me, but I think it was like probably a little over $100.
Okay.
Maybe. No, I'm not sure.
Gotcha. All right, so it's on. You see, you got the 4 moms right here. Power. Turn it off and turn it back on. Lit up. You got the car ride motion, kangaroo, tree swing, rockabye, and wave. And you got the music option and then the volume. Let's see here. Car ride. That was a big. As you can see on car ride, it's going up and down, bouncing.
Oh, we should have had something like this for you, Madison.
See it open the box up?
I see. Good job.
This is.
Just open one.
Nice little. Oh, and look,
Open another.
you can do different levels too. Press it again, go up some. It'll catch up, speed up a little bit.
What's another motion?
We got the kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
So that same level is controlling all of them.
Lower the speed, because I'm sitting here trying to figure out when it's time for us to go to sleep at night, is it's going to be this loud.
Oh, so you just, to lower the speed, you just press on that. Press on the motion. There you go. That's it too.
See, it has a good little volume to it. So I wonder if we play like a mute.
That's the white noise.
Yeah.
And then you turn it up.
I do.
Mm-hmm.
Snake.
And then you got water, rain, and white noise.
I feel like it's gonna put us to sleep too.
It might. But yeah, this is it, man. You like it?
I do like it. I love it. Hopefully, she loves it because she will be the one in it, not us.
And you gonna keep it in the bedroom?
Oh yeah, yeah. That's why I was like, I hate that it doesn't have wheels because when I need to roll it in here when I'm in the living room or in the kitchen to watch it, this would be easy. Or I could just use my docker top for her to lounge in, or I don't know. I don't want to keep running to check on her.
Right.
But
That makes sense.
other than that, we put a camera in the room. We
Right.
have that too to check on her as well.
So the only downside that I'm hearing is that it does not have wheels.
Yeah, for me, it'd be easy to move.
Well, I mean, well, there you have it. 4 moms, Mamaroo.
And it has a good little
Bassinet.
volume too on it.
Yeah, it got good volume. It's not too bad. Let's see. And we got wave. Let's see. That's full, super high speed on wave. I mean, it's not too shabby. It's not going, I mean, it's going fast enough for sure. Let's turn that off. There we go. And that's just with no speed. This is stop. So that's no speed. So I mean, what you rate it?
I mean, I would probably, as of now, a 9.5 out of 10 because of the whole wheel situation. But I don't know. I guess when baby girl gets here in a few days and we bring her home, we could give an honest rate.
Yeah, on how she like it.
Right.
All right. Well, there you have it. The unboxing and put together installation real quick. Anything you got to add that's coming up? Vacations or anything like that?
Just stay tuned.
Stay tuned, man. Keep living with the Williams. We out.
Hi, Gabby here. Thank you for watching our channel. Please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay tuned in for all our new content. Keep living with the Williams.